60-second journey. Witness the sunrise over the iconic Tower Bridge on a double-decker bus on a magical London morning. Embark on an adventure. Discover the grandeur of Buckingham Palace and watch the changing of the guard. Climb the iconic Big Ben and admire the city's skyline. Wander the historic streets of Westminster Abbey and explore the royal tombs. Ride the London Eye and enjoy breathtaking panoramic views. Enjoy traditional afternoon tea with scones and clotted cream. Explore the vibrant markets of Camden Town and Portobello Road. Experience the magic of London. History, culture, and sights await. Click the link below to book your dream holiday today. Don't miss your chance to experience the magic of London for yourself.